Little Elmo and little Abby are learning to use the potty.
Elmo knows how to use the potty.
I can use the potty too.
That's right. But we need your help to make sure they make it to the potty before having an accident. Let's go! Which friend should practice going to the potty, Abby or Elmo? Elmo. Now, it's time to decorate your potty. You can change the color and add designs to the seat. Click on the arrow when you're done. Welcome to the playroom. Click around to play with Abby and Elmo. And remember, look for signs that they need to go to the bathroom. When they do, stop what you're doing and click on them.
Bounce, bounce, bounce. Elmo loves to play with blocks.
Learning how to use the potty, we know you can. Just make sure to follow the potty plan. First you have to listen when your body says go. Go ahead, keep clicking around the playroom.
So,
We on the potty and
Go with the flow.
when you're done and wipe your bottom, now you're a potty pro. Go ahead, keep clicking around the playroom. Down, wash your hands. Look how Elmo is moving. It looks like he needs to go to the potty. That's the potty plan for
Abby, Elmo.
The potty chart helps keep track of all the potty steps. I know I have to go. Get to the potty. Go potty. Wipe. Flush. Wash.
Elmo thinks his body is trying to tell Elmo to go to the potty.
Click on Elmo to take him to the potty. Move Elmo around the toys to get him to the bathroom door.
Oh, Elmo needs to go to the potty. Uh-oh.
Looks like Elmo had an accident. It's okay. Let's get him all cleaned up. Back to the playroom.
Bounce, bounce, bounce. Elmo loves to play with blocks.
The potty chart helps keep track of all the potty steps. Get to the potty. I know I have to go. Go potty. Wipe. Flush. Wash. Look how Elmo is moving. It looks like he needs to go to the potty. Get Elmo to the bathroom door. Sometimes it can take a little while to go. While we wait, let's play a game. Can you find something you can use to dry your hands? A book basket. Go ahead. Click on a towel. That's right! I see something that has stars. A towel. Go ahead. Click on a picture on the wall. Can you find something that makes bubbles? Go ahead. Click on something that makes soap. Way to go! I see something with things to read.
All done.
You did it! You went to the bathroom on the potty. But we're not done yet. Time to wipe. Wipe, 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 that's what we do. Wipe your bottom with toilet tissue.
Elmo needs 2 squares, please.
One, two, two.
Thank you.
It's time to flush. Flush, 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 that's what we do. Flush the potty when you are through. Almost done. Now we have to wash our hands. Let's sing the ABC song while we wash Elmo's hands. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now my hands are nice and clean. Wash every time you go potty. Time to dry. Dry, 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 that's what we do. Dry your hands when you are through. Way to go! You did all the potty steps. I know I have to go. Get to the potty. Go potty. Wipe. Flush. Wash. Let's practice some more.